Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways to buy crypto on Coinbase. So in order to buy crypto on Coinbase, first thing, you'll need to make sure that you already have a Coinbase account and make sure to log in into your account. Once logged in, click the plus icon or the buy button, and here it's going to take you to the other interface where it's going to ask you to select an asset. So in my case, currently I'm facing some sort of issue, so I'm just gonna show you the process. In order to buy cryptos on Coinbase, click the plus icon from the top right hand side corner. So as soon as you click the buy button on the other page, it's gonna ask you to select an asset. So basically for the asset, you'll have to select cryptos, and once you tap the cryptos button, next page you'll be asked to select the amount of crypto that you wish to buy. Also, before you buy any of these assets, make sure that you have already linked your bank account or that you have enough amount. So after that, you'll be asked to enter in the billing details or the way of payment method, and you have to provide in the bank details. Once you're done providing the bank details, next page there will be some sort of review and confirmation. Go through it all. As soon as you do that, you've successfully bought cryptos on Coinbase. So in that way you can buy crypto on Coinbase. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.